If you've ever wanted to write faster, sound more polished, and get help drafting better messages, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI in Grammarly step by step so you can compose, rewrite, brainstorm, and reply inside apps like Gmail, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about where Grammarly's generative AI appears. You can use it in different text fields across your workflow, whether you're writing an email, working on a document, or replying to a message. The easiest way to begin is by highlighting text or clicking the floating Grammarly icon, sometimes shown as a light bulb, inside the text box you're working in. That opens up Grammarly's AI tools right where you need them. From there, you'll usually see a few preset prompts you can choose from. These are quick options like make this professional, summarize this, or rewrite this. If one of those fits your goal, just click it and Grammarly will generate a new version for you. If you want something more specific, you can also type your own custom command into the prompt box. For example, you could ask it to make your message more formal, shorten a paragraph, or turn rough notes into a clean reply. Once you've entered your prompt, click Generate. Grammarly will process the text and give you an updated version almost instantly. Then, when you're happy with the result, click Insert to place the new text into your document or email. This is one of the best time-saving features because you don't need to copy, paste, or rewrite everything manually. Now, let's look at rewriting and polishing. If you already have a paragraph or sentence written, just highlight it to open the AI editor. This is where Grammarly becomes really helpful for fine-tuning your wording. You can adjust the tone to sound more confident, friendly, persuasive, or empathetic, depending on who you're writing to. That's especially useful for emails, client messages, proposals, and even professional documents. You can also ask Grammarly to rewrite your text in different ways. If the wording feels too complicated, you can simplify jargon and make it easier to read. If the sentence feels too short or too plain, you can expand it into a fuller, more detailed paragraph. This is great when you know what you want to say, but you just need help expressing it more clearly and naturally. Next is drafting and composing, which is perfect if you're staring at a blank page. Instead of trying to write everything yourself from scratch, you can let Grammarly help you get started. If you're replying to an email, look for the AI reply button on incoming messages. Grammarly can suggest instant, context-aware replies like accept proposal or decline, which makes email management much faster. If you want to create something from nothing, open the AI panel and type a detailed prompt. For example, you could ask it to draft a cover letter highlighting your 5 years in marketing or create a social media caption for a new product launch. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result usually becomes. So if you want a stronger draft, include details like the audience, the purpose, and the tone you want. Now, let's move into brainstorming. Grammarly can also act like a thought partner when you're stuck or when you need ideas quickly. You can ask it to brainstorm topics for a research paper on renewable energy, generate ideas for a weekly newsletter, or create outlines for a blog post. You can even use it for task lists or creative story ideas. This is especially useful when you need a starting point and want to turn a rough idea into something structured. A great way to use Grammarly's generative AI is to combine these features. For example, you can brainstorm ideas first, generate an outline, draft the full text, and then rewrite it for tone and clarity. That means one tool can help you move from idea to finished writing much faster. Here are a few quick tips to get better results. Be specific in your prompts. Tell Grammarly exactly what you want it to do. Use the tone tools when writing for different audiences. Always review the output before inserting it, especially for important messages. And remember, AI works best as a helper, not a replacement for your own judgment. So that's how to use generative AI in Grammarly to compose, rewrite, brainstorm, and reply across your favorite apps. It's a simple way to save time, improve clarity, and make your writing stronger with less effort. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.